Just a quick note before my video starts. If I sound a bit tired, it's because I actually came down with COVID a couple of weeks ago, which is why there's a big gap where I have no videos. So yeah, wear a mask, take precautions. Certainly isn't something to mess around with, and I'm still sort of recovering a few weeks later. But anyway, enjoy the video. Right, good day everyone. We've got an unboxing here of a laptop I just had to get, but before I continue, please can you make sure you can subscribe to the channel, like all the videos, comment. It will really help the channel grow, and then I can upload more stuff for you guys. So let's go ahead with this unboxing and reveal what laptop it is. It might be obvious to some of you. Let me just get it in the angle light. Oh, wrong way round. And there it is. It's the M1 MacBook Air. Let's take it out. Yeah, here it is. Absolutely beautiful. Let's get this wrapping off. I had to pause it because I'm just awful at unwrapping stuff, and it would have been embarrassing. So let's get this out. Oh my gosh, I really don't want to have to pause the video again. Okay, I really don't know what's wrong with me, but it's open now. Let's take this out. Yes, that's it. Oh, fingerprints. Oh, that's quite a lot. Brilliant. It's a shame they couldn't add more ports. Just the two Thunderbolt ones there. Headphone jack on there. Let's open it up. Can I open it with one hand? Ooh. Yes, I can. Forgot. Oh, they brought the sound back. Let's take this off. And there you go. It's loading up. Yeah. Okay, so I'm not really going to do a review on this laptop. It's just an unboxing. I mean, there's so many reviews out there. Ooh.
English is the main language. Press the return key.
Okay, English. Yeah, let us know what you think if you order this. I really couldn't wait to open it. I just had to do a quick sort of unboxing. I mean, just look at the form factor. It's just brilliant on here. And I'm looking forward to the fanless performance of it. Putting it on my lap without it burning like previous Air models used to.
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5 now to turn it on and set up your Mac. If you would like to learn how to use
Anyway,
set up your Mac,
keep quiet. Okay, there you go. That was my unboxing. Let me know what you think if you've got this MacBook at home. If you went for the Pro, if you're thinking of going for it, let us know. Like, comment, and subscribe. And take care.